Friends, good morning. Today we start a chapter 15 probability exercise 15.2 question number 3. A bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls. If the probability of drawing a blue balls is double that of a red balls, determine the number of blue balls in the bag. क्वेश्चन में ऐसा कहा है एक बैग में 5 ब्लू बॉल्स 5 रेड बॉल्स हैं एंड सम ब्लू बॉल्स है वो हमें नहीं पता है तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ब्लू बॉल्स इज डबल दैट द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ रेड बॉल्स ब्लू बॉल की प्रोबेबिलिटी रेड बॉल की प्रोबेबिलिटी से डबल है ओके डिटरमाइन द नंबर ऑफ ब्लू बॉल्स तो ब्लू बॉल्स कितने हैं वो हमें बैग में फाइंड करना है लेट द नंबर हमें यहाँ सम ब्लू बॉल्स लिखा है तो यहाँ पे ब्लू बॉल्स कितने हैं वो हमें नहीं पता है let the number of blue balls is equal to x and number of red balls already given that is equal to 5 therefore total number of balls is equal to blue balls plus red balls that is equal to x plus 5 here if the probability of drawing a blue balls means probability of blue balls is means equal to double that of a red ball double means 2 multiply probability of red balls okay probability of blue ball is x and total balls is x but x plus 5 that is equal to x divided by x plus 5 that is equal to 2 multiply probability of red balls 5 total balls x plus 5 therefore probability of red balls is equal to 5 divided by x plus 5 therefore the equation is x divided by x plus 5 that is equal to 2 multiply 5 divided by x plus 5 both denominator are same that is equal to cancel out therefore x plus 5 divided or by both side therefore remaining term is equal to x is equal to 2 multiply 5 x plus 5 is not equal to 0 divided on both side divided on both side okay therefore x is equal to 10 therefore the number of blue balls in the bag is equal to 10 okay thank you next question number 4 a box containing 12 balls is out of which x are black balls if one ball is drawn at random from the box what is the probability that it will be a black balls probability of black ball find करना है if 6 more black balls are put in the box the probability of drawing a black balls is now double of what is the what it was before find x क्वेश्चन में ऐसा कहा है बॉक्स में 12 balls है out of which x are black balls if उसमें से कोई एक बॉल हम रैंडमली सिलेक्ट करते हैं और वो बॉल ब्लैक है उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है ब्लैक बॉल्स इज इक्वल टू x टोटल नंबर बॉल इज इक्वल टू 12 therefore probability of black balls is equal to x divided by 12 अब आगे क्या है 6 more black balls put in the box 12 से 6 ज्यादा हमने रख दिए अब फाइंड करना है the probability of drawing a black balls means if we 6 add balls in the box therefore new probability of black ball is now double of what it was आगे की probability से double हो जाएगा therefore find the x क्वेश्चन थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन वाला है फिर से एक बार total number ball is equal to 12 number of black balls in the box is equal to x probability of black balls x divided by 12 that is equal to x by 12 6 more black balls are put in the box 6 more balls हमने box में रख दिए हैं therefore then the total number of balls are 12 plus 6 12 plus 6 that is equal to 18 balls in the box and number of black balls आगे x थे अभी हमने 6 अंदर रख दिए दूसरे तो number of black balls is equal to x plus 6 therefore probability of black ball if 6 balls is added 6 ball ऐड करने के बाद probability of black balls is equal to x plus 6 divided by total number of ball is 18. X plus 6 by 18. आगे ऐसा सेंटेंस कहा है the probability of drawing a black ball means this one x plus 6 by 18. Probability of black ball if 6 ball is added is double. Is now double. Double means 2 multiply of what it was before. It was before the probability of black balls कितनी थी x by 12. Therefore probability of black balls if 6 ball add that is equal to 2 multiply probability of black balls. Therefore x plus 6 by 18 is equal to 2 multiply x by 12. Okay. Therefore x plus 6 is equal to 18 multiply 2x divided by 12. That means 18 2 is 36 x by 12. 12 3 is 36 x. Therefore x plus 6 is equal to 3 into x 3x. X plus 6 is equal to 3x. Therefore 3x minus x that is equal to 6. 2x is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 divided by 2. Therefore x is equal to 3. Therefore number of black balls is equal to 3. Okay, thank you.